Hi everybody, my name is Peggy aka Peggy Peg. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is not gonna be about my hair, it's actually gonna be about my skincare. So I have to admit that I recently discovered the importance of a good skincare routine that you follow every day. So yeah, normally I was like all over the place and all that stuff, and I wasn't using the right products for my skin, so for my skin condition. So in this video I'm actually going to show you the products that I use to help my oily skin and to fade my dark spot that I have on my cheeks especially. So yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy this video, guys. Thank you. Okay, so I'm starting with a facial scrub. So this one is from the brand Teami. So it's supposed to hydrate, exfoliate and moisturize the skin. So to be honest, this is the first exfoliator that I ever own, but to be honest, I can already feel and see the difference. Like all my dead skin is gone, guys. So this is made with natural ingredients, so it's very good. And if you want to also live this experience, I got a coupon code for you guys. It's gonna be in the description box, so you can save a little money from your next purchase on Teami.com. So I just rub it on my face, so as you can see, a little goes a really long way. So after that, my face is so smooth, guys, it's crazy. So yeah, I just rinse it off and then I'm gonna dry my face with a towel. So when I don't use the exfoliator, I just use my normal face soap with this exfoliating brush that I got from Sephora. So I use it every other day. So then I'm using my toning solution that I got from the brand The Ordinary on Sephora.com. Guys, this brand is like super cheap and it's super good. So yeah, this big bottle of toning solution was like $8, I think. So go on Sephora.com and check that brand, it's amazing. So after that, I'm just gonna let it dry a little bit, and I'm gonna use my serum that I also got from the brand The Ordinary, on Sephora. So I use a little bit and then I'm just gonna rub it in. But look what's gonna happen when I'm gonna rub it in, guys. I was so shocked. Like look it's foaming, guys. I was so scared at first, but I read some reviews and people like this is normal. So as you can see, I'm also rubbing it on my neck, because everything you do to your face, you want to do it to your neck also. So after that, I'm just gonna tap my face with my fingers to stimulate the blood flow. Then I'm gonna use my regular moisturizer on top of that. So you want to use the serum first, then the moisturizer. So this is what I do for my morning routine. But when it's the night time, I don't use this serum and this moisturizer. I use another serum that I also got from Sephora, but this one is from the brand Kiehl, and it's really expensive, but it's supposed to fade dark spot. This is the one, dark spot solution. So I can already see the difference with that, guys. So yeah, this is good. And after that, don't forget to moisturize your lips. So as you can see, my face is quite shiny, but this is okay even though you have oily skin like mine. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I'll see you in another one. Bye.